This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Challenger 37 KT is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Thor Motor Coach is 38 feet 1 inch in length and features 3 slideouts, a Laguna Beach, Milan Cherry interior, sleep 6, self-contained, skylight, oven, water heater, awning, external shower, LP detector, slideout, TV, Colorado detector, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Challenger 37 KT is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.